Hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable desktop notification Discord. So first, you need to open your Discord and log into your Discord account. After that, you need to click on this gear icon called user settings next to your profile. It will take you to this page. You just need to scroll down in this left slide bar and click on this button, notifications. You just need to enable this desktop notifications just right here. And also make sure that the push notification inactive timeout is not small value like 1, 2, or 3. Put it in some higher values like 8, 9, or 10. And it also says that if you're looking for pre-channel or pre-server notifications, right-click the desired server icon and select notification settings. So go to your Discord homepage and right-click on any server you like and click on notification settings. So it will take you to this window where you can change the settings for your Discord servers. So if you enable the first option, then it will mute the particular server. So you don't want to do that. Just make sure that notifications are enabled according to your preferences. And that's it for this video. That's all for how to enable desktop notifications in Discord. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.